Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I'm out of breath because I've just run out the Freston Tower to cover this beautiful rainbow. Over the river there's a double one. See it? Glorious. On the River Orwell. Oh, look at it, it's just getting better. Absolutely unbelievable. Oh, dear me. I am absolutely cream crackered. You can follow it all the way around. Look at that for a rainbow. Oh, so yeah, I did a video yesterday. We're staying in Freston Tower, which is just behind me. Look at that rainbow. There's the folly. It was built in 1579 by Thomas Goodings to keep an eye on his boats because he was a wealthy merchant. And the boats were going to the local ports of Ipswich, so he needed somewhere to look out. I did a video yesterday, but I didn't get very close to it. I'll do a closer one now. It's a bit dark. 6 stories high with a viewing platform from the roof. Look at that. Beautiful work on the windows and the brickwork. Apparently there's 24 or 26 windows in this tower. There's a few carvings in the won't be able to find it now. But anyway, look at the rainbow. Look at the Orwell Bridge. Around here. Walk a bit further out. It's owned by the Landmark Trust now since 1999, when they restored it into what it is now, and you can holiday in it, which we've done. Landmark Trust have got quite a few places across the country and in Italy and all that. Sounds like I want a free holiday, but they do good work. Look at that. I think the rainbow's the thing that's spot on at the moment. Just up there you got the just next to the windows, I think that's where the coat of arms would have been for Thomas Goodings. It was 6 red lions apparently. So yeah, see the rainbow over there. So yeah, Freston Tower in Freston in Suffolk, just near Ipswich. I would say that the tower is something amazing, but when you've got the views like that and a rainbow, I don't think anything can be better than that. Whew, even though I am tired. So yeah, hope everyone enjoys this video. I'll see you later.